How to fix the error you might need to take action in another window error on your Windows 11. Hey guys, and let's get started. If you're getting this error code whenever you're trying to install any device, here are some few fixes that you can try on. To get started with, first of all, update your Microsoft Store library. For this, just open the Microsoft Store by tapping on the icon, and once the Microsoft Store is open, you must locate and navigate the library. The library tab is open or present on the bottom left. Tap on it. Now from here you will see a get updates option. Make sure to tap on it and install any updates available for your Microsoft Store apps. Once you have updated all of such, make sure to try installing the application again, which should probably fix the issue. However, if it does not, let's move on to step 2 or the method 2, which is resetting your Microsoft Store. So in order to do this, you just have to press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog box. Now type in wsreset.exe, which is wsreset.exe, which will reset the Microsoft Store cache and open the store again. Now if you try to open the application again, it should probably work and the installation should also be done. Likewise, for the third solution, we have enabling the user account control. For this, you can either press Windows plus S to open the search box, or you could just simply tap open the search bar and type in user account control or select change user account control settings. Once you have reached the page, you will see a slider. Make sure that the slider is not set to never notify. Ideally, it can be set to the second level from the top. Once you have done so, click on OK and restart the computer, which should probably fix the issue. Additionally, also make sure that you have checked for the Windows update and latest downloads and installation has been done as well. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.